I'm going to show you how you can steal your competition traffic on Google and rank your website and business to page one on Google and get all the organic traffic for free and improve your clients' booking rate, improve your revenue, and all that good stuff. What do I mean by organic ranking? Let's just say in this video, I'm going to be taking an example of someone who offers hypnotherapy as a service. So let's just say you are a hypnotherapist practitioner. What would your clients be searching for online? They may be searching for hypnotherapy near me, or they may say hypnosis for anxiety relief. And the results that you see here on Google on page one, these are the search results. And the pages that remain at the top, they have the highest organic ranking for these keywords, and they are your competition. Some of them are not your direct competition because they are blogs, such as Psychology Today. But if you look at this one, for example, I'm going to change my location here for a second. So I'm going to say instead of near me, I'm going to say in Toronto. And the location is set for Toronto. And then here you will see more practitioners because it's a large city. So let's just say you are a hypnotherapist practitioner in Toronto and you have a website, but you're not ranked for this keyword here, which your clients are searching for, but the other business here are. So let's take a look at this website called Hearts Bloom. And when we load it up, I believe, yes, they are a business offering the services. So how come they are ranked and you are not? They are ranked because they have a higher SEO score on Google than you do, and that's why they're ranked. And now I'm going to show you how you can take the traffic from this page and direct it towards your business. So for this example, I'm going to be showcasing a client of mine who I'm working with. They also offer a hypnotherapy business, but they're not as high on Google as the other business that we saw here. So what I'm going to be showcasing is how you can steal the traffic from this business and direct it towards your website. The secret to taking the traffic lies, especially for SEO and organic traffic, is in the content, especially blogs. Blog is such an underutilized way to rank your site organically on Google. Blogs are great because you offer value to readers and it has tons of keywords that Google likes, and it increases the engagement rate of your visitors on your website. When they go to a blog here, most likely they will be reading it through, especially if it offers value for what they're suffering with. So how you can rank is by having as many blogs as you can for your website. Now here, this is where things get tricky. Writing blogs takes time and it takes a lot of effort as well. So many businesses, they don't have the resources or the budget to hire a full-time content creator who can create the blogs for them every day. And also they don't have the time to create blogs that they can write every single day on their website as well. So this is where I introduce you to AI that helps you steal the traffic from your competition and sends it to your site by creating blogs automatically. Blogs that are plagiarism free, that are very unique and packed with value. So I have created a tool that will show you the process of how I would do it. First of all, you want to do this manual work of what I did by finding the competition, find out your services, put your keywords on Google, and pick a business that ranks on the top that's a direct competition of yours. Go onto their website. And here, what you want to do is after the domain, you want to write sitemap.xml. So when you do this, it gives all the sitemap that they have. We specifically want to find something that has the blogs. Usually it should be under the post. Let's see. Yeah. So this is the sitemap under the blog, and this is all the blogs that they have. What you want to do is you want to copy the sitemap and you want to go to this free tool on Google XML to CSV converter, and you want to convert that. Just paste the URL here, and it should convert that into a CSV, and you should save that into a disk. And after that, you want to load it up on Google, and you want to extract just the URL. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So open the sitemap that you just downloaded. We're going to clean it up a bit before going to the next process. All right, cool. Here you see a bunch of different things, right? The only thing that we're interested in is the blog URLs. You want to copy them all. There's about 43 of them. The more that you have, the better it is. But for this example, 43 is more than enough for us to work with. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go to ChatGPT. So I created a new chat, and the prompt that I use is I give it a prompt like that. Here is a list of URLs, generated potential article title for each URL, and I give it an example. And then under that, I paste the URLs that we just copied from here. Paste that here. And what it's going to be doing is, I'm also going to say, format the output in CSV. Let's see what it says. And I'm going to give that out. So what it's going to do is basically, it's going to go through the slug of the URL, and it's going to generate me the title for the article. So as you can see, it's generating the article title and outputting them in the CSV format that we asked for. And after that is done, there's still a little bit more that it has to generate. Okay, now I think it's done. After it's done, we're going to copy this, go to Google, and we're going to be pasting them here. After you paste them, you want to click on this icon here and press on split text to columns. What you're going to see is that these are all the URLs, and using the slug, it created an article title for us. Now you want to go through them and make sure they make sense. For example, here there's like kind of split, so let's just copy them here, and this one too, and we can just delete that. So you want to go through them to make sure like they make sense. For example, we don't want anything like this one. And this one is formatted off too. Let's delete it. Okay, so the rest of them, they look okay to me. Let's just clean that up. And we don't want this URL. So I'm going to be formatting this into a different way. I'm going to call it just a number here and then keyword. So you want to clean up the results and make them something like this. You can go ahead and delete this original sheet here. And once you have this, you want to download them as a CSV into the computer. This tool that I created, it's not public yet, so it is private, as I am building it for my client, and the AI blog automatic blog generator. It has a big potential to automate content creators, to automate content generation for content creators, business, and it's a very powerful tool. And it's a work in progress, but it's just a quick demo of some of the products that I develop for myself and for my clients. Anyways, so I'm going to be saving these keywords into the code folder. And once it is saved, I'm just going to quickly go and check that the formatting is right. Yeah, it looks right to me. After that, I have this program, like I just mentioned. It it goes through this Excel sheet that we just saved, and it starts generating automatic blog based on the keywords, and it automatically publishes them to the website. In this case, it has connection to the WordPress website, so this website is built on WordPress. So it will be generating the blog automatically and post it on my client's website. So we're going to see how the process works. Here, I would be putting the file name, and the category of them is going to be under hypnosis. Let's see if the client already has a category that we can put it under. Yeah, they have hypnosis and NLP, so we can just put it under that category. And I'm going to be tracking the result, the logs folder. So the process will be about for 1 or 2 hours long, but I will be showing you just some parts of it. So right now I'm not opening this is the AI doing it. So the AI will be doing the keyword research, and it will pull up article from Google that has the keyword in the Excel sheet, and it will start to extract more keywords that it can use to generate the article for us. And like I said, this process of creating automatic blog is about 1 hour. This is not just a simple blog that you can create using ChatGPT here. This is actually well-researched article, and that's why it takes about an hour for the process. And if you are curious how it's working, I'm using LangChain, ChatGPT, and automated softwares to perform these actions. We develop unique and automated tools such as this to help businesses out there to automate the process, save them time, save them money, increase their revenue. That's what we do. So if you are curious about this tool and you want something like this set up for your business, you can go down to the description and book a free consultation call. And I'll be happy to assist you with your needs. This process is, I would say, a little bit boring, so I'm going to be skipping a bunch of them and fast forwarding it to make this content easier for you to digest. So as you can see, it found a bunch of keywords that has some sort of relation to the main keyword that we fed. So it's currently working on the first row. Okay, now the rest of the process is purely background. There's not much that you will be able to see on the screen other than the logs that you want to understand. So I'm going to be stopping the video here, and I will resume it once the blog is generated. To resume the recording here, and I want to show you another cool feature of this program. So, the LangChain uses the ChatGPT backend API and it sends requests and it can add up quite a bit. But to reduce the cost, what it does is it automates some of the writing of the blog using the free version of ChatGPT. And it does that by automatically opening Google, logging into a ChatGPT account, and it starts giving prompts and uses the response that the ChatGPT provides to further build on the writing of the blog. That's why the blogs are well researched, has a lot of content, and has a lot of keywords. All these things, the users' engagement goes up. Google loves it because it has a bunch of keywords, so your site starts ranking for those keywords, and that's how you boost your organic traffic. And as you can see, this is being written automatically. I'm not even typing it. I'm just going to go quickly to the logs to see where is that. Okay, things are going well. So this process goes on for quite a bit. I will resume once we are at the end or after the blog is posted. The blog has been created. So what it does is after it creates the content, it sends to WordPress via REST API, and the content gets automatically created on the WordPress website. So this is the content that the AI created. So it comes with a heading, it comes with an AI generated image. Right now it's not an AI generated image, it uses stock photos, but it can also have the capacity to generate images via AI. And as you can see, the article is pretty detailed. It does its SEO, it creates the unique URL that helps you rank for these keywords on Google. And this tool can literally be done for every single one of those keywords here. And you can find more competition, get their sitemaps, and get more ideas for the blogs. If you do that, if you can write one article a day every single day, you will start to see that you're ranking higher on search results. And pretty soon you might be ranking on top of this competition. You might be number one. And when people search for keywords such as anxiety, they're going to find you. And you're going to get more bookings, more revenue, and you have more brand authority. So that's how you can steal your competition traffic and drive it to your site and rank number one on Google. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you have any questions about this tool, and if you want something similar to your website or for your business, book a free consultation call using the link in the description below. Of course, you can write these articles manually by yourself or using a content creator, but that takes up a lot of time and effort, and there's a cost to it as well. And I'm going to quickly show you how much it cost me, this whole process. So today I just wrote one article. So that cost me, let's see, for today, 31st, 44 cents. That's what it cost me to write that article. If you were to pay a professional copywriter to do it, right now it looks like it's more than 2,000 words. If you hire a professional copywriter to do this, they might charge you close to $200 depending on how experienced they are. So let's see how many words this is actually. So this article is about 4,000 words. That is a lot of content that AI generated. I thought it was 2,000, but I was wrong. 4,000 words. So if you were to pay a copywriter, they usually charge around 40, $100 around there. And every day for a small business who's starting out, they may not have the budget for it. But with this, with 40 cents, you have an amazing article that's SEO optimized, competition researched, with tons of keywords that's going to help you rank organically on Google. So if you find this video helpful, book a free consultation call, and I'm happy to build something similar for your business. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.